no, cops called! What's up guys, it's David from Auto Fusion. Welcome back to my second vlog. The weather is so nice today, it's such a good time to go out for a drive. A few weeks ago I did a competition on my Instagram, win a ride in my R8. 3 lucky winners will be riding today in my R8. I'm so excited to share this experience with you guys. I'll actually be meeting up with Corey again, so I better get going. Hi guys, I just arrived at Cleveland Point. Check out the nice view. Check it out guys, my boy Corey just got some new plates.
Woo!
I'm not sure if you guys know what hodled means, but if you do, you do. If you don't, you don't.
Google it.
I'm with my boy Corey again.
What's up guys?
And my good friend Hunter.
Hey, what's going on guys?
He's actually the film guy today, so he'll be doing the shots of us on the road.
So if they suck, his fault.
You can blame me for
Hunter
it, but
Owen Photography on
be-
Instagram. Alright guys, we're just waiting on Kayla to arrive. She's actually bringing her mum, who's the actual winner. We're actually surprising Kayla this morning. We are actually going to let her ride also in her actual dream car, the BMW M4. I'll be taking Leah, her mum, in the Audi R8.
Alright guys, that's the first drive done. Leah, how was the R8?
That was awesome.
Amazing?
She wanted to go faster.
What?
I did not want to go to jail today.
Alright, and the M4?
Definitely better than the R8. Haven't been
Hey!
She's
You
a
have
beamer
not
girl.
been in the
She's a
R8
beamer.
yet.
Yeah,
Alright.
but I'm gonna go in the R8 and still say that.
She is a BMW fan guys, but I will convert her.
That's it. Alright, let's go. Round 2, let's go.
Guys, I've got Kayla in the car. Are you ready?
Not really.
Not really? She said that she likes the BMW better. I don't think so. We're gonna change that, guys.
Alright, we just finished the second run. Now, be honest guys. BMW or Audi?
BMW for comfort.
So,
And it's louder. Much louder.
It's all about the sound.
Yep.
that's
And we
true.
did beat you off the mark. Don't forget
Yep.
that one.
But it's on video, and I beat him.
No,
Overall.
no, I didn't want to go to jail. That's why I let her.
Oh, okay. Well, so overall the verdict, my car is cooler, comfier, and faster.
Biased review here.
Faster, alright. No worries.
Alright guys, I'm gonna get Leah to rev the car for me. It's her first time in the R8 and also revving the car. Alright, let's rev it. Give it some more. Give it a tap. Yep. Oh yeah. How was that?
It was awesome, and now I just need to go into launch mode.
Next vlog, guys. Alright guys, we've just finished the rides for both Kayla and Leah. I hope you guys enjoyed it.
We had an awesome time, thanks. It was the best day ever. The Beamer was still better.
We're cutting that. Alright guys, we are off to the Gold Coast. It's about a 45-minute drive. I'm heading towards Isaac from Gold Coast Car Spotters. He's waiting for us. We're meeting him around 4 o'clock, so we'll be seeing him there. Alright guys, we just stopped off to get some fuel and a bite to eat. We've just finished up in Brisbane, so we're heading off to the second winner ride in our R8. We'll be heading to the Gold Coast after this.
Alright, if we're ever together, just make sure that you get me a triple cheeseburger, no pickles, no onion, with a frozen Coke. Remember that.
Alright, I just got my Big Mac. Corey got his
Triple cheeseburger.
triple cheeseburger.
Yes, sir.
Just gonna go get something quick to eat because we need to quickly head off to the Gold Coast. Corey's just behind me, and I must say, like, Corey driving behind me, 2 red chrome cars brings so much attention on the road. I can't show you guys, but the amount of people that actually like stare at us is crazy. You got people hanging out the window, you got people taking photos, got some people like nearly having accidents just trying to take a picture of us and take a snap of our two cars together, because not every day you see a chrome car, yet alone two on the highway.
Hey, Corey, I'm Isaac.
Isaac, nice to meet you, man.
Hi Isaac,
Hey, man.
nice to
Hey,
meet
David.
you. You ready to ride in the R8?
I'm ready.
Alright, here we are. We're with Isaac over here. Beautiful. We've just arrived. He was the second winner, was he?
Yep, second winner.
Second winner of the driving the Audi R8. So what we're going to do is probably go for a quick cruise up through Broad Beach, maybe go near the beach, all that type of stuff. You ready?
I'm ready, man.
You ready? Let's do it. You boys ready?
Yeah, man.
Let's go. It's such a crazy feeling to be able to take people on a ride in a car that they absolutely dream of. Firstly, to imagine what it's like to be Isaac, of someone at that age. At his age, I would have loved to have someone come out here and take me for a drive, so absolutely amazing. But to be able to go out, do it with them and experience it with them, it's on another level. I love it.
It's a quick stop over at Broad Beach. Check out the view, guys. Isaac, you ready for the second round?
I'm ready, man.
You want to go faster?
Oh, yeah, always go faster.
I might lose my license.
This car's absolutely amazing. It's like nothing else. Compares to no other supercar, man. This is awesome.
You've heard it, guys.
Alright, we're finally done. Overall,
It's awesome.
amazing. Love it. So where do we find you?
At GC Car Spotter.
Beautiful. Is there an underscore?
Yeah, underscore in between GC.
GC underscore car spotter.
Alright.
Perfect, man.
So what car do you prefer? BMW
Oh.
M4 or the Audi R8?
Well, I mean, I only got to experience the R8, but I'm sure the M4 is really good as well.
So that was M4. Alright, love it. What are you going to
Dream
say?
car R8.
Yeah.
Dream car,
Dream car's
alright.
the R8.
Alright,
He's
alright.
wearing an Audi cap. Of course, he's an Audi fan.
That is true. Alright, today, so it's 1-all. BMW the first morning,
It was
and then...
actually 2-1
No, no.
because Leah
Don't listen
liked
to him.
the R8.
No.
So it's 2-1.
Alright. I'm gonna do a giveaway next time. Alright guys, we're back after a massive day. Overall, personally, I think it was absolutely perfect. Couldn't have gone any better.
We didn't let you guys know, but actually on our first ride with Kayla and Leah, we got a message from one of our friends who actually said that cops was called because they heard our cars through the strip. I think we've got a message here. He's just heard the neighbors to our office calling the police. So after our ride, we actually headed off to the Gold Coast. So anyways, guys, we're going to end the vlog here. Make sure to like and subscribe to our channel. We'll be releasing a video every Wednesday.
Also guys, don't forget to hit that bell button. Peace out.